Hi everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all are well and staying safe. Today's video is gonna be about money. Basically, I'm gonna talk about how I earn money while I spend. This is gonna be second video on my money series. If this is your first time watching my channel, welcome. My name is Sarita. I do like mostly fashion videos, story time, lifestyle vlogs, as well as I've been talking about money. If this is the sort of content you love, then please do subscribe my channel. I love to have you on board. You guys know I love shopping. However, I'm very savvy shopper. Whenever I'm shopping, I would like to get cashback, which I've been doing for years. The cashback site I use is Quico. Just a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Quico. I would actually love to be sponsored by them. Hopefully one day I'll get their sponsorship. So let's talk about spending. I feel like we need to be very wise about money. So whenever I'm shopping, I go through cashback sites and I get a little bit money back from the shopping that I do, which I think is a great reward for customers like me who loves to shop. I've got my computer here, so basically I'm gonna screen record everything I do. We are gonna talk about like how to start cashback account, how to navigate the website, what's in the like cashback websites, etc. I hope you find this video useful. So let's get into the video. Let me screen record this before I forget, because that wouldn't be great if I forget to record it. So we are going to Quico website. Basically, I've been using Quico website for last 5 years and I've earned quite a lot of cashback. I've earned so far £706.31, which is a great amount back for the money I've spent. I always try to spend on the things I really need rather than I want, because whenever I want something, I want that for a certain period of time. However, whenever I need things, I know I will get a lot of use out of that. I've been doing this for years, so whenever I'm buying stuff, I ask myself whether I need that stuff or I want that stuff. So this is how I normally shop. When it comes to Quico, this is all about online shopping. When you go into Quico website, there is like join for free and sign in. So basically all the cashback websites are for free, so you can join in free, and then you can see the home button here. There is also search button. If you want to go into specific retailer, then you can type that there, and there are actually 4,500 plus retailers with Quico, which is great. And I always buy my broadband here on Quico whenever my contract finishes, and broadband has amazing deals. They have a range of deals when it comes to broadband, and the cashback with the broadbands are great. Also, you can do life insurance here. So let me show you like the categories. I booked my holiday before as well from here. Basically how it works is, let me talk about that briefly. When you're buying directly from the retailer website, you don't get any cashback. However, if you go into Quico website, for instance, if you type like curries, and they will give you a certain amount of cash back, what Quico does is it will direct you to the merchant website. So you go into the retailer's website and your visit would be recorded by Quico. After you made purchase, you'll get a notification saying like how much cash back you earned. It is like very easy to use. It's the same price even if you buy directly from a retailer or if you buy through the Quico to get cash back. The price of the product doesn't change. It just stays the same. It's worth, going through the cashback website. Some people might find it like a little bit of hassle going through website and opening up another link. However, this is like really easy to do. Once you get hang of it, you find it easier. And also, who doesn't want to earn a little bit of money when they are spending? I feel like this is a great initiative. I would highly recommend you guys to go and apply for cashback account. You can do it with Quico. And this is the only cashback site I use. And let's get into it, like the categories I was talking earlier. So you can see like booking.com, there is a car rental as well. You get cashback for that. Ferries as well. When I used to live in Germany, I used to get cashback because we used to book ferries. We used to travel by car, so we had to take ferry from here to France, and I always got cashback for that. You can do electronics as well. There's a lot of website here. There's a Microsoft store, curries, clothing like ASOS, H&M. Most of the like retailers are here on Quico. So department stores as well, Argos, eBay, home and DIY. Then comes to telecom, insurance as well. Like I said earlier, they do all sorts of insurance. There are a lot of insurance providers, so that's good. And finance like bank account, credit cards, gas and electricity as well, health and beauty, Superdrug, Boots. Whenever I do online shopping from Boots, I make sure I go through Quico. So there are more categories here as well, which you can actually have a look later. You can also compare car insurance, home insurance, energy, broadband, etc., which wasn't there before. This is a new one. I've not used this yet, but I find this easier because I really like to compare like the price of different things like travel insurance, home insurance. Obviously everybody wants to get the best deal, which I think is a great. And also once you open an account, you can refer and earn. I'll link the Quico website down below in description so you can go and sign up. So there is more as well, you can go through it, like there's hot offers, etc. And on the screen you can see there's like 6% cashback on self-regis, and there's a support as well, the help center, etc. So basically when it comes to Quico, I've actually got their premium account, and I find their premium account much more better than the normal account. You can stay with normal account. I actually started with normal account. The cashbacks were paid a little bit later. That's the only reason I actually went for premium account. I pay certain amount of money a year. With the premium account, there is 10% top up on cashback rates, and there's 20% payout bonuses, and also it is like ad-free experience, which is nice. Their customer service is like really great. I really like their customer service. Whenever my cashback is not tracked, what I do is I go through my account, and let me show you. Actually, basically if your cashback is not tracked, what you can do is you can go to your account and raise a claim, which you have to do through your account. They will ask for order number, they'll ask for like the amount you spent and cashback rates and when did you make the purchase, and then you submit the claim. So what happens next is they would get in touch with you through email, which is like really quick, and they would acknowledge that they have received your claim. And then what they do is they go to the retailer and ask them to look into it. So you don't have to do much. Basically you don't have to pick up your phone and call someone, which I find it annoying because you have to wait for a long period of time to get through someone, which is not the case here. Everything is done through your account, which I find it so much more easier. And if your claim has been declined as well, they will update you. I'm going into my account right now and I'll show you like how my account looks. So at the moment you can see my available balance is £65.10, which is not bad. I've got £12.58 tracked at the moment, so that is yet to be paid. And tracked means it has been tracked basically, but not yet paid. I've earned £706.31 in total. You can see your transaction here, like all activity. It will show you the estimated payment, which is great. And it does the same with like basic account as well, like the free account. It will show you like when your cashback would be paid. If you click on more, it will just give you like purchase ID number, etc. There's a lot of information here, and when it says like confirmed, then it is paid. Basically it is very easy to navigate on their website. So you can see all your statement here, like when your cashback was paid or not paid. Also another thing is like whenever your cashback is paid, you get an email notification, which I think is a great. And also whenever your cashback is tracked, you get email notification as well as for the decline as well, which I feel like it is like so great. And the customer service, like I said before, is great because I've had few issues before. I bought something off from Boots and I bought like makeup stuff for which there was no cashback. I got in touch with the customer service people. The makeup brand which I bought was Dior, so Dior don't do any cashback, but Boots do. So what they did was they actually got in touch with me very quickly once I raised the claim, and they adjusted the amount and gave the cashback of the adjusted amount, which was really great. It's very helpful. I'm not just saying because I'm in front of camera. This is like my personal experience. So you can withdraw in different ways as well. You can do it through PayPal, bank transfer. You can do it through different retailers if you want to spend rather than transferring into your bank account. So you can do it through Amazon, Just Eat, Tesco. If you actually decide to spend on retailers, so you get like premium payout bonus, which I said earlier. Because I've got premium account, I get this premium payout bonus. So my original balance is $65.10. If I decide to withdraw Amazon gift card, it would give me 2% back, which is $66.40. Not bad. Another one is JD Sports. I think this is great. They are giving out 10% premium payout bonus, which is £70.61. That is great actually. You can see ASOS also does this, like 8%. They're giving me £70 with the bonus. It's very like straightforward. It is beneficial to take out like gift cards rather than paying into your bank account. I think that is a really good option as well. You can go into settings here and then you can see my account type is premium. It just takes out £1 from my earning every month. However, if you don't actually shop within a month, they don't take the money out. You can also downgrade anytime to basic accounts. I would suggest you to go with basic account first, which is free. Get the hang of how everything works with Quico, and then later if you think like you want to upgrade to premium account, then do that. So next here, I don't want to go into security. You can also list your favorite retailers here. Another one you can do is high street. I mentioned earlier it is mostly like online shopping. However, some of the retailers actually do in-store cashback as well. You can register your debit card or credit card, and the participating high street retailers will give you money through Quico. So if you made a purchase using debit card or credit card in a store that is participating for cashback with Quico, then what happens is through your card your cashback is tracked. You get notified your cashback has been tracked in particular store and how much cashback you are getting and when you are getting. Basically, it's really easy. You don't have to chase a retailer at any point. Everything is done by Quico customer service for you. There's also third-party apps, so you can actually link Apple, PayPal and Facebook. There is also FAQ if you need any help, etc. I really like how easy it is to navigate on this website. Also, another thing you can do is like whenever there's Christmas time, they do like a festive bonus which you can sign up. It's for free, you don't have to pay for it. Basically what they do is if you spend £30, you get like £10 money back. It doesn't have to be one transaction. You don't have to spend like £30 on one order. For instance, you can spend like £10 in Boots, another £10 in Argos, and then another £10 in ASOS, and then that will work out as £30 and they'll give you £10 back, which I think is great. That is the quick tour of Quico website. I hope that was helpful for you all. So basically when it comes to money, be savvy with money. Also, whenever you go for shopping, just look for discounts on Google. It's so easy to find discount codes on Google nowadays. So basically what you do is go into Google, and if you're shopping in ASOS, just type like ASOS discounts and it will bring up different discounts and you can apply that discounts. Also bear in mind, whenever you are using Quico, sometimes you are not allowed to use discount codes. They have this own terms and conditions, so please do read the T&C. That is something to bear in mind. Before I go, let me answer some of the questions which you asked to me before on my first money video, which I actually missed out. The first one says like, how expensive is it to live in the UK? I feel like it is quite affordable. It really depends on the location, like where you live. The thing about the UK is like food, the clothing, you can get from cheap to expensive depending on what you prefer. Housing is a little bit expensive. We do pay tax which covers our medical bills. Education, if you go into like public schools, it is free, and not the university obviously. I feel like overall it's not like really expensive to live here. You can survive even on like a basic salary. Eating out, it depends again on which sort of restaurant you go. Personally, I don't feel like it is really expensive to live. Housing is a little bit expensive. Electricity, water is a little bit expensive. But I feel like there's a nice balance here, because even though housing, energy, etc. are a little bit expensive, on the other side, the basic items like food, clothing, you have a choice according to your budget. So it's not that expensive, I would say overall. Saving tips, how not to get tempted by sale. Basically, whenever I'm doing shopping on sales, I make sure that I don't buy the same stuff I have already got in my wardrobe. Another thing I do is I ask myself if I'll get a lot of wear out of this clothes. If not, then I don't buy. Lastly, I also ask myself whether this is a need or want. If it's a need, I would actually buy it, but if it's a want, then I don't. The last one says, how do you manage your personal expenses? Asking because you do lots of online shopping. Yes, I do lots of online shopping, but I have a budget. I don't shop every month. Whenever I shop, especially when it comes to clothing, I only shop up to like max £400, and the minimum would be £300 in a month, and that is what I stick to. I have a budget. Basically, you guys know, like, I'm not really into makeup. The most money I spend is actually on clothes, because I absolutely love clothes. I like looking good. I like talking about clothes. I'm very passionate about clothes. I actually write down everything I spent in a month. So I've got bullet journal where I write down my spending, and then I compare that spending on a next month. If I've overspent last month, then on next month I make sure I don't overspend. So yeah, basically I don't spend every month. It's not feasible to spend money like every month. That is it for today. I hope this video was useful. Please give thumbs up, like, comment and share this to your friends, and I'll come back with more money video. And if you have any money video requests, please do let me know. I'll be more than happy to do one for you. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.